Hi, my name's Armand Gasemi, and today I'm answering how starfish regenerate their limbs. To start, we have to answer why they would amputate their limbs in the first place, and simply put, is to avoid predators. Whether it be fish, crabs, sea turtles, or birds, amputating a limb is a fast and easy escape mechanism. With that information, we can now answer how they amputate their limbs. Foremost, starfish have central discs that allow the limb to completely regrow. Starfish go through arm autonomy, or the process of separating their arms, the limbs, from the body. As shown from figure 1.2, we can see the parts of a starfish and where the central disc is located. When the arm is detached, the starfish might undergo disc-dependent bidirectional regeneration, as shown on the left. Essentially, if the central disc is separated along with the limb, or if the detached limb simply has access to the disc, it has access to all of the organs needed to survive. These include the digestive system, the mouth, and gonads for reproduction. Furthermore, the starfish can perform fission when it amputates several arms and separates its central disc along with them. As such, through asexual reproduction, as shown on the right, each of the limbs with a fragment of the central disc could regrow into an identical starfish in comparison to the original. Next, there are the indeterminate stem cells that allow the starfish to regrow after losing a limb. In most animals during embryonic development, all of their cells gain separate, distinct identities, whether it be lung cells, muscle cells, or more. However, what's so interesting about indeterminate stem cells is that they have the ability to keep growing, dividing, and creating any type of cell. As such, through indeterminate stem cells, starfish are able to grow back severed limbs. In stark contrast, humans lose their indeterminate stem cells after the fetal stage of embryonic development, reasoning why they can't regrow limbs. Therefore, having indeterminate stem cells in adulthood is the key to regeneration. Figure 1.6 shows the embryonic stage differences of starfish and humans. Finally, scientists have discovered that the amputated limbs of some species of starfish have the ability to regenerate without a central disc. In this case, the severed arm itself grows a new central disc and regenerates limbs from there. This process is called disc-independent bidirectional regeneration and, as shown by the title, is a counterpart to disc-dependent bidirectional regeneration stated earlier. All in all, starfish have the ability to regenerate through both fission and indeterminate stem cells. Thank you for listening.